Good morning, everybody, and welcome to week 5 of Strategic Management with Professor Dr. Neil Armstrong. Hope everyone's having a great week so far and looking forward to getting closer to the end of this class. I've definitely enjoyed my time talking with each and every one of you guys, and I really enjoy the discussion board posts that you're posting. In week 5, we have a great video here by Dr. Agee, and that's one of those things that'll definitely help us get somewhat part of the way. This week we're talking about strategy, implementation, and ethics. Ethics is a huge part of business, and it's one of those things where I teach a lot of ethics classes at other schools and stuff of the nature. And ethics is definitely one of those things that sticks around. If people have a bad ethic and things go bad, then companies tend to go under. Or maybe they have a lot of struggling, or maybe have to get rid of the CEO or whatever to make sure that things improve in the environment. So let's see what we have to do this week. We have the week 5 devotional, which is due on the first day of class, as always, of the week. We have week 5 discussion, which you have to post your initial post by day 3 and post on at least 2 other people's posts by day 7. We have the week 5 quiz, which is due on day 7 as well, as it always is. And the assignment here for the analysis application questions, which are due on day 7 as well. So that's kind of what we have to do this week. I know some people have definitely asked questions about the quiz, and it's one of those things where if you guys have questions about certain questions, or if there's a better way of doing things, maybe you need extra time, something of that nature, feel free to reach out to me. It's one of those things where I'm definitely happy to accommodate where I can, and definitely happy to help what I can do on that part. But it's one of those things where I don't know what I don't know. So if you need help on something, please let me know. But otherwise, I'll see you in the discussion board post and in your grades as well. Well, it's nice talking to you, and I'll see you next week.